to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. In this video, we'd like to show you how the multi-lift with the PIR mount works in the rear of a GM midsize SUV such as this GMC Acadia. It also would be similar for the Chevy Traverse and for the Buick Enclave. So if you take a look here, you'll see the PIR system, mounting system, is basically is zero modification to the vehicle. So we're tied into the seat belt over here. We're tied into the rear body panel here, but there's no holes drilled or modification. We supply this right here. Tie downs are supplied, so there's zero modification. And you'll notice that when the vehicle is not in use, when the lift is not in use, you've really got full access to all your compartments, and also you can still get access to your storage or to your stow and go seating if you have stow and go seating there. We've got these little pins that hold the lift in place. So now we're going to show you how the lift works. Get the wheelchair down. Number one, now we make hundreds of different adapters for almost every imaginable wheelchair. And of course, different swing arms and different ways of getting the job done. So here, this particular one uses a kind of a unique adapter right there. It goes in place right there. Okay. Next is pretty easy. We're going to just pick the wheelchair up. Once the wheelchair is up high enough, we're going to put it inside the vehicle. Now, if you haven't seen any of our other videos here on our YouTube channel, you probably aren't aware of all the other great things the multi-lift can do. So this same multi-lift that we're using in the front of the vehicle, in the rear of the vehicle, could also be used in the front to lift you into the vehicle. You can use it in the home, in the bedroom, bathroom, hot tub, SUVs, even RVs, travel trailers, ATVs, swimming pools, you name it. We've probably got an adapter that will allow you to get mobility where you want. So here we're bringing the lift down. And the great thing is, in order to just keep things from rolling around, we do have an adapter here that'll keep the lift from moving. That's a tie down, and that's basically the whole system. So we'll give you just a quick view. Got the mount right here, got the wheelchair, everything right there, and close the hatch, and you're on your way. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, please check us out on our Facebook page and like us at www.facebook.com/accessun. Our YouTube channel has over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can also check us out on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter at accessun. Instagram, Access Unlimited, one word. Pinterest, Access Unlimited, two words. And also, you can contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. You can give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822, country code 1, Eastern Standard Time in the United States. Evenings and weekends are no problem until late at 1-615-873-0518. We hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about the multi-lift system, and we strongly encourage you to check out the detailed videos down below. It'll give you lots more. There's 5 more videos on that show you all kinds of different applications for this product. Thanks again, and have a great day.